At 5 tonight, a week of tragedy on our train tracks. 4 people have died now in the last 7 days after trespassing on the railways.
Well, this morning, a Brightline train struck a pedestrian in Lake Worth Beach. Hours later, another person was hit by Tri-Rail in West Palm Beach, both believed to be suicide.
WPTV News Channel 5's Michelle Casada explains tonight what prevention resources are out there and what's being done now to tackle this recurring problem.
When something like this happens on a railroad track, it brings up the question, what is being done? There is education on railroad safety, and new measures are put in place at crossings every few months. But transportation experts agree raising awareness is the key to getting victims the help they need before another tragedy occurs. In 1 week, 4 people have died on railroad tracks in Palm Beach County.
Ultimately, a train cannot stop on a dime. It cannot swerve. We all know that.
Stephen Abrams is the executive director of the South Florida Regional Transportation Authority, which oversees the Tri-Rail. On Tuesday morning, West Palm Beach police say a pedestrian intentionally crossed in front of the Tri-Rail on the tracks on Summit Boulevard near the Palm Beach County Zoo and was killed. Hours earlier, a pedestrian was hit in Lake Worth Beach by a Brightline train. Last Tuesday, a man was struck and killed by a Brightline train while walking the tracks in Delray Beach. On Sunday, another man was hit by a Brightline train in Boynton Beach. Crossings are often modified to enhance safety, removing shrubs to increase visibility, adding striping, or flashing signs.
Sadly, many of the trespasser incidents are suicides or people with substance abuse, in addition to people trying to beat the train.
The 211 helpline offers resources to Palm Beach and Treasure Coast community members. For the first few months of 2022, mental health concerns, including suicide, made up the largest percent of calls to the center in Palm Beach County.
We recently received a federal grant from the Federal Railroad Administration through Congresswoman Frankel's office to work with 211 to actually set up a pilot program with them to address this specific issue of suicides on the rail corridor.
Abrams says new programs are already showing a decline in deadly trespassing incidents for the Tri-Rail. You've seen the number up on your screen during this entire report. If you or someone you know is having suicidal thoughts, dial 988, the national hotline now being answered by local 211 staff members. Reporting in Lake Worth Beach, Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.